Chapter 12, Running Down the Tracks. Manifestation Train Development. Subjective concentration is the real secret of development of your manifestation train. Subjective concentration brings to life and power to every cell, every physical and non-physical part of your being. This type of concentration should be done 2 to 3 times a day, and within a few months your whole world can change. Subjective concentration once in the morning, once in the middle of the day, and once before bedtime will bring results that even Napoleon Hill, author of Think and Grow Rich, would be proud of. To begin subjective concentration, pick a part of your personality with to strengthen. If your personality is weak or negative, you can make yourself strong, firm, and positive by concentrating daily upon the more beautiful and the higher things in general every day. Exercise number 23. Subjective concentration to strengthen your personality. While in a meditative state, reflect upon the positive aspects of your personality. Reflect on positive aspects of people you admire and which qualities they possess that you would like to increase in your own personality. Develop a code word for your subconscious that helps develop this trait. An example would be service, if the person you admire is a person who is of great service to the community. Hold that image of the ideal personality being harmonious with yourself and with others. Meditate on your code word while doing deep breathing exercises. We have just finished the exercise and are now returning to the text of the book. A strong and personal love is another great essential personality trait. This type of love might be called altruism, philanthropy, unconditional love, or agape. Through the concept of unconditional love, humanity would reach towards its higher self, towards the vision of a world without strife. Exercise number 24. Concentration to develop unconditional love of all humanity and the earth. While in a meditative state, reflect on love as an unconditional state of being. One way to do this is to concentrate on the heart area, feeling the energy of that area expand into the universe. If you have trouble doing this at first, think of someone or something that embodies love for you. How do you feel when you think of this person? Does your heart feel expansive? Then it is love. Let the feeling of love fill your heart and expand that love feeling beyond your heart into the rest of your body and then past your body into the rest of the world, to all humanity and the earth. We have just finished the exercise and are now returning to the text of the book. When people fall in love, the world seems better, fresher, happier, and full of life. This falling in love feeling doesn't always last between two people. The upside is that once a person has felt that expansive love, they can recreate the feeling again in their heart, even without another person. To feel the deep, high unity that makes all creation one is the purpose of sympathy. And when we feel this high unity, we become conscious of the most beautiful and tender emotions that the soul can know. Why are we asking you to use your powers of concentration to develop better personality traits and to develop a stronger love of mankind? You probably wonder what this has to developing your co-creation skills to enhance your own life. Simply put, the ability to concentrate, to focus attention, is why some people's manifestation skills work and other people don't seem to have the same results. The power behind your intention is important, and the way to increase this power is by concentration, repetition, focus, and, yes, love.